And I am ready to take it out. Like, I really had to refresh it so that I didn't take it out, but I'm ready to take it. I was ready to take it out. I installed all of this on my head. Let me show you what it is. So this is the hair that I used Expression for the wrapping hair, and I used $3.50 for all of my hair. I used this brand called Rastafari, and they sell this crochet hair that you crochet into your hair and you just wear like that. Then, hold on. Yeah, whoa. Okay. And I use this normal straight braiding hair, okay? What I did was braid my individual hair, and then I braided the single braid, and then I added the curl at the end of the braid, okay? And then I took the wrapping hair and I wrapped from the top down, and that's the look that we have. Okay, so I don't know what to call this. I don't know if anybody's ever done it, but that's just how I did it. So with this method, it doesn't sit as nicely as I would like. The curl is a bit bulky, but I style it like I have a middle part like this. So that's nice. Side here wasn't my best parting, so I just flip it over like this. And you need to get this piece and this piece. Alright. When I think of new styles, I will come and show you guys. I came up with one last night. Tie these up, make them bangs, and hold this up like this. If I come up with more, I'll show you guys. I will do a takedown update. We'll see how that goes. Hold on. What the fuck? I tried to make these. Okay, so this is problem number one. Let's address it. It took me 3 days to put these in, and I'm still kind of playing with them. That's the great thing about doing your own hair, because now I can go in and fix them. But I'm just working on getting consistent sizing. You see this one, you see this one. But then, I don't know, I just kind of messed up. And then I have these two pieces. I was trying to give it layer and dimension. Does that make sense? Like bangs. You know, like on my hair out, I can have like a bang like this, right? And something cute just there. This is a small update. I am just at the gym, and that was actually something I was really worried about with this style. It's like, how am I gonna work out? How am I going to like sleep and stuff? So it has taken me 2 days, but I have made like the perfect bun, y'all. It's just one of those, like, this really took 2 days of like pinching and tucking and like taking out the hairs. It's perfect. Like, it don't move, it don't wear. So I'm gonna work out in this and I'll update you guys, but this is like the perfect bun, and I've made it go on like the side of my head. I don't really be using, but yeah, that is fire, guys. Like, and you know, you can still, like, people were telling me like, oh, you got a lot of hair. You know, you can still tell that you got all the hair.
This could be like if I was going to like a baby shower or like a wedding party, like a bridal shower. Y'all, so I'm gonna do a workout and I'll update you guys. This is practical style number 1 because I can't cap with you guys. I'm not gonna be fake with you guys and be like, these are the styles they could do. This is like simple style number 1. I just did a bun, super practical. Jiggle test, I worked all day in it. So now I'm about to work out and I will update you guys.
So here I'm just showing you guys what the hair looks like down. This is with the side part, and then I have it with the middle part as well. The hair is about butt length, and I went on a trip for 5 days. I forgot to bring extra wrapping hair, so those thin pieces that you see, before I left, I did make sure to wrap some more of them. So on the trip, I just had to improvise, but that's just me fixing it as I went along my day and stuff. People are complimenting me left, right, and center. I like your locks. I like your locks. Especially having something that people already know and can associate with like social acceptability. Like there's no like, this style is definitely it, because there is no like, you got Softlocs. I don't know if there's Softloc slander. I like your hair. Yeah, you know that's right. I just love complimenting other women's Softlocs now. I love seeing all the different Softlocs. And I think I did come up with this. I've never seen this done before. Like with the crochet hair at the end. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, I've never seen this before. And I like extensively did research on Softloc. So if you've seen these before, you can like at me if you've done them before. But I came up, this is a Locs Retwisted original, guys, for real. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? And I've seen ones with like curly hair, but they normally have real human hair extensions, so they're a lot thinner. And I did feel like this was a little bulky at first. Y'all, I had a plan and I put it into action just like that. And next is going to be the takedown. I really don't think my takedown will be hard, because since this hair been falling out on me already, I have a whole plan of action. I think why people are cutting their real hair when they take out the Softlocs is because there's different techniques to wrap it. I did it oh my god, y'all, I'm tired, I'm exhausted. I did it the getaway, right? But some lock specialists are really good at this. So they're finding, like, they're crazy, guys. I'm gonna insert some clips, but some of them are like tucking it up. They're saying don't crochet it through, like put it halfway. So when they're cutting the hair, it's because they've like tucked it and all that. This is gonna be a simple takedown. I braided it, so I predict the hard part will be... No, I started 2-strand twisting it at some point. I was like, I'm not braiding this. Guys, I think it's gonna be easy. Like, really, I just need to get my application and install. I need to get my install down. And then I'll really love this style. Today is removal day. I've had these locks in, I think, literally for a month now. And I'm actually kind of sad because, y'all, everybody loved them. Like, it's kind of hard for me being like a wig girl, because I'm constantly wanting to play with them or like just not liking them. So I always want to like have them up. But when I had them down, like we went to Disneyland, I had them down for like literally 2 seconds and people would be like, I like your hair. Oh, okay. So honestly, like, I love them. I love them, guys. Like, I hate them, but I love them. Like anytime I just put them down, people just be like, I love your hair. And they would tell me as if like I didn't know, because I didn't know. You know, when you're just not feeling something, so like, and they're like, I love your hair. But let me back it up. If I back it up, is it back up? I'm having a midlife crisis right now. Can't keep with y'all. This is the first protective style I've done on myself since like I used to do like crochet with a needle, and you know the hair I use at the bottom, like I used to crochet that into my hair. Since then I haven't really done much, but this is fire. Like, y'all, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. I love it. Okay, should I take it down? I have an event tomorrow. Like, oh, wait. So I want it to look like different. I'm tired of this part. Like, it's too much forehead. Here's why I want to take it out. I'm just done with it. Like, we got this. If I spend any more time fixing this hair, I'm gonna go crazy, y'all. And I think I could just redo it like another month. You know, like, I'm attached though. Like, we got thinning spots. What else we got? Loose ends. Okay, like, I'm gonna take it out. I think I'm going to keep like my hair underneath, right? So I have my white people event, and then I have like a shoe, and I really wanted to rep the braids for the shoe. I wanted to give this. Said she coming and she missed me. Well. I wanted to give that, but I think it's a lost cause. How about this? Locs Retwisted is going to take her hair out. You know what it's giving? It's giving princess, dragon princess, like, release the dragons into the cavern now. That's what I'm talking about. I'm taking it out. You know what? Let's do this. So my hair is about like this long. Okay. So this is when I realized it was gonna take a little bit longer for the takedown. It took about 6 hours, and I didn't cut any of my actual hair. It was just a matter of unwrapping and then unbraiding. And I kept the individual braids underneath as I said I would. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Baby, would you be mine for the night? Under the moonlight, under the moonlight. She comes alive under the moonlight. She looks so bright in the spotlight. Baby, would you be mine for the night? Under the moonlight, under the moonlight.